our last award says overall awards, but we're only giving one. So our last award, which is Professional of the Year, and this is, I would say, for a lot of people, it's a personal award, so it's one of the big ones. They're all important. And I'd like to invite up Agnieszka Słomirska from AMMC to come help us give this award away. Agnieszka, we're having her give this award away because she's done so much for this event, put on a giant conference today, brought all the speakers, did all the work, and we just came to have the fun. So Agnieszka, big round of applause for Agnieszka and AMMC for helping us with everything. All right, so let's read out the winner. We don't have a short list because it was voted on already. We just have the final name.
Okay, everyone is prepared. Deep breath. And Professional of the Year is Adam Pietruszkiewicz, Coast to Coast Capital.
You say that you are mine. I'll be here till the end of time. So you got to let me know. Should I stay or should I go? It's always taste.
And welcome back, and please say a few words.
Should have prepared a speech. So again, thank you everyone, but I must thank the team at Coast to Coast, because without that team, this would never happen. And it's been a tough year. We did a lot of deals, a lot of work, but again, all this happened because of all of them. So thanks goes out to all the Coast to Coast team.
Well, congratulations again, and Agnieszka, thank you for helping us so much and supporting the event.
And
Thank you.